nagsasalita sa first floor kasi andun lahat ng family. Yung second floor guys is gagawing paupahan. So ipapakita ko lang tong isang kwarto guys. Ito mapapansin nyo, may lababo and may CR siya. May bintana dito. Yan lang guys yung design ng bawat kwarto dito sa second floor. Ayan, ito yung first room, second room, third room. And ito naman yung papunta sa taas. Which is yung kanilang rooftop. So, ito yung baba.
Hi guys! So na-realize ko na madami pala akong hindi nasabi sa video na to. So itong bahay na to ay sa aking tita, which is gusto ko pong mag-thank you dahil inalaw tayong makapag-house tour sa kanilang bagong bahay. And itong araw na to ay ang kanilang house blessing mismo. And of course, ito ay gawa ng rblopezdesignbuild. So kung gusto nyo makita ang mga design, visit nyo lang po ang aming FB page, which is RB Lopez Architectural Services. For more information, ilalagay ko na lang yung link and contact info sa description box down below. So kung meron tayong house tour 2023, of course, meron din tayong house tour 2022. So sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, panoodin nyo na guys after nitong video. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung link sa description box down below.
So itong bahay na to, gawa ng RB Lopez Design and Build. So sa mga gustong magpagawa ng bahay guys, i-contact nyo lang po kami sa aming FB page. And ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link ng FB page namin and yung contact information ng aking tito. Sobrang ikli lang. So gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung exterior and interior ng bahay. So all in all, third floor siya. First floor may 2 kwarto, second floor may 3 kwarto, and third floor is rooftop. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong, that I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be, and maybe it's a good thing. Got a good thing coming, it's a good thing that we're not who we used to be.